Both Tech 100 and US30 has seen a good sharp drop yesterday. Trading below 33,200, we have seen a sharp drop in Dow Jones, and trading below 10,800, again a good drop has been seen in US100 as well. So what to expect, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon. The next updates on NASDAQ100 and Dow Jones will be released before the US cash session, so do watch it also. Let's start. First we'll look into NASDAQ100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end, listen to it carefully, note down the levels and trade as per the level. Hardly any move is being seen in Nasdaq 100 after this sharp red candle on the hourly charts and then this sharp drop again. Now it is trying to consolidate a bit. You can clearly see only buy entry is about 10,800, but yes, you can initiate a buy entry here at 10,760 levels also. Or also if you look at lower highs, higher lows, consolidation, and hence if it breaks past 10,720, you can buy for 10,740, 10,760 and then 10,800. So that should be a good long entry. That is, you can buy 10,720 at the same time below 10,680. Yes, you can expect another round of good drop. So very narrow zone. Yes, the movement is also very limited right now. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic trying to drop from the highs there. The MACD has crossed over. It is trading bullish. It is trading with slight divergence. Now see bearishness, retracement, further lows, trying to retrace again. RSI flat here, and if you look at the 2-hour chart, likewise on the 2-hour charts, phase of consolidation, support here, buy 10,720, then expect 10,760 levels, very good resistance, and beyond that 10,800 levels to be seen as the next target. See, it has to trade above this zone now. It has to trade about 10,850 and 900 in order to trade bullish. Till the time it trades below this should be considered a retracement. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold trying to rise. The MACD is bearish trying to converge crossover for the bullish momentum. RSI trading oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour, on the 3-hour chart, see retracement, sharper drop, retracement, sharper drop, retracement, sharper drop. Now see the movement of the drop here. The movement of the drop size is diminishing here. It means that it is narrowing here. The bearishness is trying to diminish here, and there is a possibility for it to reverse. Now it has to come out of this zone and it has to trade about 10,900 in order to trade bullish, and specifically above 11,000 level should be considered a reversal. So this is a fairly narrowing triangle on the charts there. You can clearly see this. So this movement has started here. It has to pass by this zone, specifically 10,800, 900 in order to trade bullish. You can buy today at 10,720 and sell at 10,680. That is very clear. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD is still bearish, trading with divergence. The RSI is oversold here. And if you look at the 4-hour chart, now look at the 4-hour chart. See these two candles, diminishing body size indicating reversal. Once it trades beyond 10,720, buy for 10,760, 800, 850 and 900. Only beyond 900, consider this for a reversal. Directional movement extremely divergent and bearish. Stochastic is again oversold. The MACD is also divergent and bearish. The RSI is also oversold, and hence there is a possibility of a bounce. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily charts too, the bearish momentum seems to be diminishing here. Yes, the body size is diminished here, but also at the same time it has left a tail and the wick out there. And look at the movement there. See the same what we saw on the, see on the downside. Yes, the downside is far below. However, it is trying to get the support at 10,700, 10,680 level. So yes, possibly beyond 10,720 you can initiate a buy entry here. The directional movement divergent and bearish, stochastic entering oversold or entering into oversold zone. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bearish here. The RSI is also trading near to the bottom here. Considering this, you can buy at 10,720 and sell at 10,680 levels today. For these 40 points, do not trade beyond 10,720. Yes, 10,760 levels are the next targets, and 10,800, 10,850 are the next bullish levels. Only beyond 10,900 you can consider that to be a reversal, and hence you have to trade with a trailing stop loss. It can reverse any point of time till the time it trades below 10,900. It can reverse any point of time, and do not consider it as bullish, and hence beyond 10,720 with just 20 points of trailing stop loss you should keep, such that your trade closes in profit whenever you see it reversing. On the downside, below 10,680, the next target is 10,620, and if it breaks below 10,620, further bearishness might take it for 10,550 levels. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Let's have a look at Dow Jones now. Dow Jones on the hourly charts also is showing a reversal here, and hence this appears to be a good entry to buy. However, 32,900, 950 are a good resistance there. And yes, before I provide you the complete levels, yes, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment, and yes, join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is going to start on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss to be a part of it, and learn and equip yourself with the tools and strategies so that you can become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details on same. Now look at the analysis here on the hourly charts. Here is the support. Here is the next support. It is trying to reverse from here. Yes, you can buy it 32.8. Rather, I will say buy it 32,920, and then only beyond that you can expect it to achieve 33,000, 33,050 levels. Beyond that, more bullishness can be seen. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic is oversold on the hourly charts. The MACD is trying to trade bearish, and it is trying to converge from here. The RSI is oversold too. Now look at the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, see the downside here is little far below at around 32 750 700 zone. This should be a very good support here. However, it is trying to reverse from here, and you can see this is a phase of consolidation. Lower highs, higher lows are seen, and possibly it is trying to swing in between these levels. Now directional movement, you can see it is divergent and bearish. Stochastic oversold on the 2-hour charts. Possibility of a bounce back exists. The MACD is still divergent, is still bearish. RSI is trading oversold here. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour chart, now see, this is trading outside Bollinger Bands. It is getting the support here. It has to break past this zone at 32,920, 950, and then you can consider this as bullish. So yes, you can buy here at 32,920 and then expect a little rise. Possibly we may see a little rise from there. At the same time, sell at 32,820, below which you can expect another round of good drop. Directional movement here is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI trading near to the bottom. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see lower highs, then sharper drop for 4 successive red candles. The body size here is diminished, trying to reverse beyond 32,920. You can expect 33,050 levels, and beyond that 33,200 levels to be seen. Directional movement here is extremely divergent and bearish. Stochastic is extremely oversold. The MACD is divergent and bearish. It is still looking downwards, and the RSI is trading at bottom, indicating little weakness there. Now look at the daily charts here. On the daily chart, it appears it is still scope for it to take it further down. 32,600, 500 levels can also be expected. So yes, you can sell at 32,780 levels, below which you can expect further drop, and beyond 32,920 you can expect a rise. For this 140 points, do not trade. So do not trade between 32,780 and 32,920 levels. In between these 140 points, you should remain cautious. Directional movement was bearish. Stochastic was overbought, now looking downwards. The MACD is bearish. The RSI is trading flat. Considering this, you can expect a sell entry only below 32,780. Below that, you can certainly expect 32,700, 600 and 500. Till 32,500, a possibility of a drop can be seen, can be expected. On the upside, you can expect a rise only if you see trading above 33,050. However, you can buy at 32,920 itself, but till 33,050, 33,100 levels, in fact till 33,200, you have to trade with a trailing stop loss, as it can give a very good. So in between these 140 points, do not trade between 32,680 and 32,920 levels, 780 and 920 levels. And whatever trade you take, you should trade with a trailing stop loss. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, join my mentorship batch. The 18th batch is starting on 9th of January. Be a part of it. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. So So yes, equip yourself with the right tools and techniques so that you can become a profitable, proficient trader in this new year 2023. Do not miss this opportunity. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.